Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off voicemail on iPhone. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your mobile app right over here. And then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply type in #004#. And then you need to go ahead and simply dial it on your phone. Once you have done that, this command deactivates voicemail and call forwarding for most carriers. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your settings application. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply scroll below and then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for phone and then tap onto it. Just like that, scroll below, and here you will then be able to find an option that says live voicemail. Tap onto it and toggle this button off. Once you have done that, head back to your phone settings and then simply select call forwarding. Now if it's toggled on, you need to go ahead and simply disable it. Forwarding calls to voicemail is one of the main ways messages still get saved. So after that, you need to go ahead and simply contact your carrier if needed. If you're still receiving notification or voicemail after these steps, call your carrier and ask them to disable voicemail completely on their end. That's it. By dialing the deactivation code, turning off voicemail and disabling call forwarding, you can fully turn off your voicemail on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.